See all this white water? There's fish up in here. And that's what you want to try to cast out to. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like on the other side of this little sandbar, there's a deeper water. And I think that's where the trout are. Let's check it out. I think I'm a little too far, but maybe. Let's see. Just on the other side of the little sandbar. I don't know. I can see it with my polarized glasses. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see it. But that's what you want to look for. That darker green water. Let me get me right there. Let's see if I'm right. Yep. Got a bite there. Oh, bobber's gone. Let's set it. Yeah. And it's a trout. I don't think that big. Let's see. I don't think he makes it. He does not. Check it out. Go ahead, go home. Alright, there. I'm in it. Yep. Come on. There you go. That's a trout. Oh, that's a nice. Oh, it might be a jack. It's fighting, head shaking too. Oh, I lost him, whatever it was. Let's fix that lure. Remember, it's gotta be right in the middle. There's a little bit of deep water right there, and that's where I want to cast right now. Right there. Yep, knew it. Let's see what we got. Feels like another jack or a catfish. Whatever it is, it's a pain in the ass. Yep, it's a jack. Big jack. Look at that jack. And all kinds of other jacks. And trout. Let's see what's going on here. Look at that guy. Right now I'm just playing. Oh, there he is. Come here. Come here. Did you see my little lure? You probably did. My gulp. Oh, you're easy enough. Not in the boat. Out of the boat. There you go.